Hello there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome to our special segment called Unpacked by IT Voice. Today we have something exciting to unpack and review. This just got delivered today, and it's none other than the highly anticipated JioTag. As you can see, this comes in a Reliance Digital packet. The JioTag in itself is covered in a purple packet. Oh wait, what's this? If you can see, the JioTag was manufactured in September 2021 and it's made in China. So if the timeline is correct, Jio launched the product almost 2 years later after they had the product ready. What could be the reason for it? Without further ado, let's open the packet. So this comes neatly packed. It says tag it and track it. There is an instruction manual and says you are the proud owner of JioTag, and there is the warranty card, and there is your JioTag. And there is one extra battery and one double-sided tape that comes along. This is white in color. It seems a little bit plasticky to me, but it's compact in size. Oh wait, I've also got an Apple AirTag. Let's compare their sizes. JioTag is a tad bit bigger, as you can see. Both are white in color, but the Apple AirTag has got a premium feel to it, while the JioTag, as I said, feels a little bit plastic in nature. Well, to be fair, the Apple AirTag does cost 5 times what the JioTag does. To understand how to configure the JioTag and get started, check out our next video.